Welcome friends, I am Haseen Alam and you are watching Tracks on YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to put ads on your YouTube videos. So before we start, let's know about the minimum requirements for the YouTube ads: 4000 hours watch time and more than 1000 subscribers. After that you can enable monetization for your videos. After monetization on, YouTube put ads automatically on your videos. But when you upload videos that are 8 minutes or longer, then you can adjust ads on your videos by YouTube policy. Now let's start. Click to open any browser and open here YouTube. Click here on your channel icon and then click on your channel. Now click here on customize channel. Click here on video manager. Click here on video which one is 8 minutes or longer. Click on monetization sign. Click here on manage withdrawals. Now click here on ad break for adjust ads time for your video. Now you can adjust ad timing from here. Now you can set a time for your ad after every 2 minutes. Now again click on ad break and select time for your second ad. Now click again on ad break and select time for the third ad. So you can adjust time for your ads on your videos with same method. Here you can put 4 to 10 ads on your video. But I think minimum 4 ads are good for the video. Click on continue. Now click here on save. If you like this video, so then don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and thank you so much for watching.